Dr. Grossman, pleasure to see you today and to talk with you today. My first question to you, the decoding of the human genome, what was it, why was it important, and what is the promise?
Well, the thing that's very interesting about the Human Genome Project was the speed with which it was completed. But what we found out after the genome was decoded was that so many of what we thought was absolutes are actually relative. And the genome outline of what's going to happen to an individual. It's not an absolute. Rather, it's more like a guideline. It represents tendencies. It tells us what type of diseases. Over 95% of the genes just represent tendencies that we can overcome by making the proper lifestyle choices. So it's very useful for an individual to have their genome sequenced, to know what genes they have, so that they can make the intelligent lifestyle choices to prevent those diseases from occurring.
To put it into kind of simple words, it was the decoding of the circuitry of man.
Yes, absolutely. Essentially, the genome is a blueprint. It represents the tendencies, and that by knowing these tendencies, you can make the proper choices with that information.